It's been a long day. So, I'm here with TonyTechBytes, and we're out to dinner at what's the restaurant here?
What was this called?
What is this called? Something seafood. All right, we're at a seafood restaurant in Boston with Intel, EKWB, a whole bunch of other companies are here. It's pretty darn cool. Newegg's here too, right?
Yeah.
And iBuyPower's here too. Did I miss anybody? I don't want to miss anybody.
Ironside, I think.
Ironside is here. Oh man, yeah, we're filming right now. So, so that was Intel. Are you filming right now? And we're having a ball at PAX East.
PAX West.
I went to PAX West. This is my first PAX East. This PAX East. Say that 5 times fast. Jeez. This PAX East has been spectacular. Today is day 3 of 4, so you can see I'm tired. A lot of walking around, a lot of talking. And Tony was on stage with Intel. He did a PC build, which I posted. See my previous video, like and subscribe, all that stuff. And so what did you like about PAX so far? That's what I want to know.
Yeah, I mean, what I really like about PAX so far is just honestly meeting new people and seeing familiar faces as well, like Terrence. We met at CES 2022, 23.
Yes.
And just making new connections.
Yeah, it's events like this are cool to see all the technology, yes, all the live events, sure. But it's the after hours, it's the after dark. That's when you really get to know everybody and spend time with them and swap stories, where you're from, like where your parents from, what's your upbringing like, and what's your favorite drink, water, yeah, and all that stuff. So there's been a lot of cool tech at PAX. Intel also does their Intel Creator Challenge, which is fantastic. They had LN2 liquid nitrogen there. They had a cryo cooler by EK, their thermoelectric cooler. I actually have that. Stay tuned for those videos. And so you get to see all kinds of cool things at these events, but also the familiar faces. You see them over and over again, which is so nice. What's been one of your favorite events so far that you've attended?
I gotta say, probably PAX West 2022.
Oh, okay.
It's similar to PAX East, but I felt like Seattle was a bit bigger.
Ah, okay. Seattle was interesting for me. I guess I don't talk about this much on social, but I love cigars. There's no cigars in Seattle. So I was like, darn it. But Seattle was clean, it was a nice city, people were great, food was great. And PAX West, I didn't go last year, I went the year before. So it was still kind of pandemic-y-ish.
Yeah.
But we had a ball, and we had great people, and it was a lot of cool setups, a lot of gaming. I mean, PAX is about gaming. So the community is so welcoming and open arms to just hey, come try this game, and this is why I like this game. And did you see all the board games and all the D&D?
Yeah. I saw a company that had custom wood board game accessories. It smelled really nice though.
Yeah.
Gotta say, walking around.
Did you see the desk that went up and down? It was an all wood standing desk that actually would go up and down as well, and a PC was attached to it in that same area for the custom. It's hard to describe, but imagine your dining room table then transforming and height adjusting into a Dungeons and Dragons table. So it's your spouse would be cool with a nice fine wood dining room table, and then the boys come over and you're Dungeons and Dragons, whatever, for hours on end. It was cool. So maybe I'll put some B-roll for that, because I have a lot of B-roll on that. So PAX East definitely has been awesome. CES I love in Vegas. TwitchCon. Did you go to TwitchCon?
I did not, no.
TwitchCon was fantastic in San Diego. Intel actually did an event the day before TwitchCon, which we had a ton of fun. Asus was there. JJ with Asus is the brain of technology.
Yeah.
He's awesome. I spoke with a lot of the execs at Intel about their new P-Cores and E-Cores thing and working with Star Citizen, because I'm a big Star Citizen that's my space sim game that I love to play. So there's just a lot to do. So I guess we'll end with that. Thank you, Tony. You know, we're gonna have some good food, and thank you, Intel, Newegg, and all these great companies that are here as well.
Of course.
Peace.